What's up, YouTube? It's been a minute. LOL, more like 4 years. So this is my neck. You can't make noise.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Anyway, it's been a really long time since I recorded a hair video, since I did any video for YouTube, honestly. I've been out here living, degreeing, stressing, crawling across the finish line, and then finishing. Hey. But anyway, I'm about to change my hair again. Nothing crazy. Let me show y'all what we working with. Just made 4 years of me being locked up. And this is what we're looking at. I have a lot of hair updates. Also, I think it was somewhere around my 2-year, my 3-year. At some point along this journey, I was convinced that I was ready to take my locks out. It's not so much how I feel anymore. I'm loving this next stage and I'm wanting to get to my length goal. One of my reasons for taking them out was because it just felt like so much. Look how big this bun is. And that is only the front of my hair. All of this back here, loose. I combed all of these out. In the process, when I decided, oh my gosh, I'm gonna take my locks out, I decided not to. I started twisting them up. Shrinkage is up. Ooh, shrinkage be playing. And it's been a lot more manageable for me. I don't have too much locks. But yes, I have to take an extra step on wash days to comb and condition and brush these out and twist them back up and make sure they're looking good, because if not, they'll be straggly and puffy and matted and turn into a mess. But it's been great not having them compiled into my many locks. Before I took these out, I had around 110 or something. Now I have less than that, obviously a lot less. All of these twists were comprised of like 2 locks each. So I don't know what the count is now, but I do know that it's a whole lot better. Oh yeah, this is where we're at. Call me a fraud if you want to, I don't give a damn. Oh, more than 50% locked. This is most of my hair. Let's dye it. If you look at my hair, you can see that it is like brown down here, but at the top it's dark. So this is all new growth from the last time, sometime in winter. And I just dyed it like a natural black with the blonde stripe when I got rid of the red. I had red as well, and I wanted to just cover that up. And then washing my hair and not adding another dark box dye brought me to this brown that I love. It's just not even anymore. I just don't like it. I just don't like it. My hair is so dark, and then my bun and the rest of my hair is brown. So I'm going to be using Dark and Lovely 363 Brown Sable. I feel like that looks like this. So that's our goal. Yes, touch up the roots of my blonde, because my blonde roots are overgrown. How can I show? So, started. Now that we've talked and we've caught up and we got the hair history together, some of it, because I'm lazy. I had red. I had a couple shades of red. I was trying to be in my ginger area. Or what? Because the people wanna know what it look like, what it grow. And it do grow. Your girl been growing her hair. I know that's right. So I'm gonna start with the root, lighten the roots, then move it down to the shaft of the hair where it's already brown. Then we'll go into this layer. just have this patch left. The rest of my roots all got dyed. Nobody told me dyeing locks was like 15 times more dye than dyeing loose hair. They just soak up the freaking dye. Like, you need more is what I mean to say. I just did roots and I just finished that whole lock. Slight malfunction. The hair is processing nicely. I see brown, I see brown. I like it, I like it. I also see brown on the blonde. I don't like it, I don't like it. My approach is going to be to wash this hair first and quickly, because it's really just the ends that got brown, so I'm just gonna go wash right now. So it'll come out over time. Some of me is debating putting a little bit of bleach on it when I touch up these outgrown roots. Woo! How many inches that is? I don't know if anybody would say save bleach, but use the whole thing. I'm not using the whole thing. It'd be good. You just gotta make sure you seal it back. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. I put a cap on because obviously I was making a mess. If you get some bleach in a different spot, just wipe it. Now we wait. Okay, I'm tired of waiting. It's like 5:12. Not all to the blonde that I'd like, but I'm gonna wash it out. If it's still too dark, I'll go back in again. But for right now, I'm just gonna go wash this out and wash this out, and we'll be back. I left my little blonde bun out because I didn't want the brown dye as it was washing out to get mixed in. Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh. When she got lazy. No, that is too funny. This is so cute. Yeah, I got lazy, obviously. My neck was hurting. So I brought it in here so we can have a little bit more light. But this is the color. I love it. I love it. I love it. Like the brown that I've been loving, that my hair washed to, but it's looking more even. My roots don't look so black in comparison. Ooh, you see the brown edges? Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, it's orange as heck at the roots. Yeah. This is what it's looking like.
They make me high like drugs. Give me feelings I never felt before. Come and give me all your love. My bad girl says she want me.
Somebody put me on to doing a braid and then going into a twist, because I'm just doing twists to keep it simple, but braids help keep it organized for a while. So that's a quick tip, quick tip, quick tip. Remember what I was saying about shrinkage? How she be a bee. What she do? Because look at this. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Still going. Still going. And the shrinkage says no. So I finished the back and I put them up in a, what's it called? I didn't record it because obviously it's barely staying up. It's annoying. It's annoying that they barely want to stay, but I'm just going to put a rubber band on it. Yes. and that kind of helps hold it. So, and then I like to go in with, I've been using this for a long time, scalp conditioner. I dry scalp, but I also don't like dry ends. So with that being said, we're also gonna go in. This is like my easy way of doing it. I'll spray my ends, put some conditioner, and then just kind of. Alright, make sure they're just all. Over time, I just like stop combing them out, conditioning them, brushing them, so they kind of just locked up towards the end. And then the beginning of the summer, I wanted to put some beads in my hair, and so I had to comb out some more to get as many beads of my locks as I wanted. I'm back to having a lot of curly ends. Beeswax to retwist, and yeah. Oh, God, beeswax works better when your hair is dry. Okay. Let's take a candle dryer. Oh my gosh, did not take a patient day to do my damn hair. And usually I like to do dyeing it and styling it in 2 separate days now, just because it's too much work. It's just too much work. Like, nobody enjoys this. I love maintaining my own hair, but nobody enjoys this part. Like, this is just annoying. This is what we worrying with. Please don't ask me how I'm doing, because I'm over it, but I'm managing.
So I made a profile on Tinder. Said you let me be with her. I think that things I'm getting. Oh, I'll be, yeah.
Do that for real. Okay. And I used these hair formers because I just couldn't get these to stay tight enough. My hair being loose at the bottom. Hopefully tomorrow you get a reveal. Alright. Today is my grad party. Katie's helping me do my toes for the function. But also, up there, see the wave. Take these out now. I'm gonna hit it with the blow dryer real quick because I need to be certain that they are dry. Oops, something just popped off. Okay, that's a little something. Doesn't curl at all before because it was so wet. Oh my God, it's wet. It's so wet. Probably because I gotta do it so much. Yeah. Okay. Hello. Don't perm out your hair right after you dye it. Just do it late in the evening and then expect it to be dry just because it's sat overnight, because obviously it ain't that cool. No! No! It's not curled. Look at it. The longest one. No, what are you talking about, Kay? No, because it's wet.
Oh, it's still wet?
You talking about because it's bleeding.
She trying to say your hair getting bleached.
Right.
Oh wait, that's the one you just tied right there, right?
Come on, girl. I don't know what to expect. I hope. Okay, as long as I got some type of curl, that's better. They look good. Ah, hey. The curls did drop a bit. Obviously, we see the blonde ones stronger. Yeah, because they were still wet, but I'm happy. As long as they got some type of curl, they're gonna drop over the next few days and still be hot. I'm happy. I'm about to finish getting ready.